Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows cannot find PowerShell on the computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's what you have to do. Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down and check all the boxes associated with Windows PowerShell. Click on OK. In 90% of the cases, this will solve the problem. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And the last solution is a cloud reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and click on recovery. Select reset PC, remove everything, and finally click on cloud reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.